Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Anybody Can Garden. I love gardening and it's my passion. Let's look at what we have for today. Please do like, share and subscribe at the end of the video. Please give your comments also. Hi viewers, something exciting here today. So this is all about how my sister is going to plant all the 3 brinjal saplings that are ready to be repotted. So here the soil is being mixed. So we mix the soil, 1 part of sand, 2 parts of garden compost, 2 parts of soil and 5 parts of cocoa peat. So that's how we are mixed, and 1 part of coconut shell. So mix it well so the plants will grow really well, the roots will develop better. So we are mixing the soil and the compost that is made at home here in my house. So these are the brinjal plants that I'll be planting. So yeah, my sister Anna Mary, she's planting the plants. So I've used grow bags. So these grow bags are cement bags that I just got, and then I put two bags together and then made them like a mold. So while you're planting plants, always remember you need to make sure they have a good growing medium. So that is the soil, and a good growing container. So that's the grow bag. So you can see that's the first plant she's planting. The roots are developed really well. That's how a healthy plant will look if your soil is good and if you're taking good care of your plant. So while planting, just make like a hollow in between so that the plant sits in the center exactly and can grow well and give more fruit. So we are done with one plant. This is the second plant that she's planting now. I'm doing all this on my terrace, so I have a sheet and on that the soil. So everything we try to do everything on the sheet so we don't create more dirt on the terrace. You can see viewers the root, how beautifully it's grown. So that's how your plant will look if it is healthy. So all of you give a good garden mix soil for your plant. It will always do well. So while using the soil, your soil must be set. So if you set your soil before a week or 2, the soil is set and then it mixes up well, so then the plants will do really good. Try to do that as much as possible. If not, immediate mix also is better, because slowly the plant will get adjusted to the soil. So spread soil equally all around the plant, so that will cover all the gaps. You can use your hand or use a tool, use a pot, anything. Here she's using the hand for some and some tools. So however it's easy for her and flexible, that's how she's doing it. You can do it however you want, viewers. This is my ideas and what I'm doing. So after planting the plant, one recommendation is you give a good shake. So when you give a good shake, all the gaps in between gets covered, and then you give a press after the planting. So this is the third plant. So she finished planting 2 pots which are in the orange bags. So this is the third plant. So what I do is I had coconut shells at the bottom, so they sustain lot of water, contain lot of water. So that way, even if you don't water for a day or 2, the water is still there and the roots are absorbing water from the coconut shells. That's why I use that. So this is the third plant, and there is an onion that just sprouted. That's how rich the soil is. So anything you drop into the pot starts growing. So yeah, we pull that out and repot it into another pot. So this is the third plant finally. So you do that, viewers. You turn the pot, give a tap, and the root, if the root is developed fully, it will come out as a mold like that. So once you place it, give a nice press, make small breakthrough to the roots so that the plant starts spreading. And then so then you add soil on top. Make sure the plant is placed in the center so that the roots will grow evenly on all sides. And the betterment of the plant is when the plant is in center of the grow bag or the grow containers, whatever you use. So place it into the center, spread soil all around evenly, give a nice shake, and then press the soil after adding the compost. One very important thing is always remember the plant needs to be grown well, the roots need to have developed well, so that's when your plant is growing to grow well. See how well she's giving up press. So that's how my sister is really very smart and she learns things very quickly, so she's helped me do this. Really happy that she can garden along with me. I'm lucky to have a sister who can garden. I want to share one very crazy thing that happened, scary thing, viewers, just watch. So there was a lizard that just got under the brick and then we were like, what's in there. It was wagging its tail. I opened and then it just ran over my hands. Oh god, it was so scary. Okay viewers, thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Also do comment in the comment section. Bye. If you have an interesting story about your brother and sister helping you in the garden, please mention in the comment below. We'll appreciate them.